Hello my friends, welcome to another video, and this time around I'm gonna make a short unboxing about a new pair of headphones that I just bought. And these are, as you can see, the Sennheiser Momentum 2.0 wireless in the ivory color or configuration. I don't know, whatever you want to name it. So these are some serious premium hi-fi over the ear headphones, and I'm simply in love with Sennheiser. I'm a big fan of their products. I highly recommend all the time Sennheiser products, and I've had my eyes on the Momentum series ever since it first came up on the market. So these are pretty expensive. You can buy them right now for something about 500 euros, at least here where I live in Romania. And they promise you a premium experience. I've had the opportunity to previously listen to music through this model, and I was honestly impressed with the quality. I have never heard in my life music so beautiful, so clear, like when I used for the first time the Momentum headphones. As you can see, this is the box with the description of the product. We also get some info about the features of these headphones, such as aptX enabled, noise guard hybrid technology, Bluetooth 4.2 and also NFC. Sennheiser promises 22 hours of battery life. I've seen a lot of reviewers saying that they usually get about 25 hours, so longer than what the producer declares. Also, you get true hi-fi sound, and trust me, yet again, I'm repeating myself, they really sound good. Let's go to the package, and inside the box we have a carrying case which looks really nice, and the touch or the feel is of a velvet type material. It looks really nice, but I think that it will attract a lot of dust and I don't know, debris. We also get some small literature. We're not interested in this, so let's just throw it away and let's see what the actual carrying pouch has inside. And we get, of course, the headphones with this carrying bag. We're just gonna put them aside and see what else comes in the box. And we get 3 little accessories. First of all, this is the airplane adapter, as you can see. We also get a USB cable for charging the headphones, and for those of you who don't like I don't know, to use them wirelessly, you also get the possibility to use them with a cable provided by Sennheiser. This is a 3.5mm headphone jack, and also the connection to the headphones is made to this 2.5mm jack. And let's proceed with the headphones, which look simply amazing. Amazing, especially in this color, this ivory. I'm honestly impressed. We get markings with Momentum on each side. This is real leather with some really nice stitching. To me it looks like gold. This is brown, and also the ear cups seem to be made out of leather. I don't know if it's real leather or synthetic leather, but they feel real nice to the touch, and also very comfy. They have a lot of foam inside, So I guess that for prolonged sessions of listening to music or watching movies or whatnot, this won't produce, I don't know, any pain. Also, the rest on the head seems to be very well padded, although to the touch it feels really hard. I don't know, I'm just gonna have to test them for longer periods and see how well they are, and to see if they produce any, I don't know, any pains, any fatigue. On the right headphone we get all the controls. We have a power on button, power off, with a Bluetooth indicator. We also get the volume controls and also the media controls in one same place. We also get a USB port for charging and also the connection to the cable provided by Sennheiser. On the right and the left sides we can also see these little chambers, sort of, and these are actually for the active noise cancelling feature of these headphones. And from what I've seen and from what I've known and what I tested, they do a pretty good job at keeping noise outside. So the experience is actually great. We also get an indicator where the NFC chip is, so you can pair them easily, and overall they look truly amazing. If you ask me, I prefer this color to the black one. I do like black things, so well, this time I went with the Ivory because it simply looks better in contrast with this brown leather construction. If you want to change the length of the headphones, you simply do this operation, pulling them down or up, and this is how you do it. So nothing complicated, nothing too fancy. I'm honestly impressed how good they look. Hopefully in time they won't attract any scratches, and we're just gonna have to see how they take a bit. This pretty much does it for this video, guys. This is just a simple unboxing, nothing special. I'm gonna use them, of course, that's why I bought them, and I'm gonna give you all my thoughts in the final review when I'm gonna talk about battery life, audio quality, and every other little thing that you might be concerned about this type of headphones. Nonetheless, I have to say it again, these are premium headphones and they promise to deliver premium quality. So this is it, Sennheiser Momentum 2.0 wireless. Thank you for watching, see you in the next one, and until then, as always, be safe, be good. Peace.